everyone, this is Alice from Gilda Workshop. My followers asked me to make simple earrings tutorial, and today this video is for you. You can order this accessory in my online store. You will also find other easy tutorials for beginners on my channel. By the way, subscribe and put a thumbs up. And now let's make earrings! I think you can wear these earrings for any event. They will be stunning in combination with both evening and wedding looks. You can replace all materials with yours, and I hope that you will get beautiful too. Write to me in the comments which videos you would like to see on my channel, and I will try to realize your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell below to not miss the updates. It's all, love you, bye for now!